Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including companies that changed their name before they show up. Oh, we'll talk about that, but let's get into Clamper first. That's right, Clamper's back. If you're joining us after a long hiatus, brought the clamp back because we like the drama. We like to see if Lloyd is going to hurt himself. Nice try. You wanted me to get my finger in there, but... It's a good one. And let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about this, I'm going to put a link up there, but we're doing the ASTM test, the American Surgical Mask Test. I'm going to give you the results because I paid a lot of money for this sucker, so I'm trying to ROI. Return on investment, look it up. Okay, this is super interesting. Not super interesting, it's like minorly interesting, but we ordered this mask from Lisglo, and by the time we went to do this review, they had changed their name. Look at this. And see, you can see, last purchased, same look. Let's see if I can do this. Same box, different name. Look at that. Lisglo SfAVereak. See what they're doing? SfAVereak. It's like an IKEA thing. Super sketchy. I guess they didn't. Lisglo just wasn't like, it wasn't moving off the shelf fast enough. And so they moved to SfAVereak, and then look at this. 35,000 ratings. Holy shnikes. Great deal too, 17 cents a piece. All right, let's open this up. My camera's like out of control. It's overwrapped, which I like. Are they making any claims? It's made of 3-layer environmentally friendly fine non-woven fabric by ultrasonic wave. They're throwing random words in there. That's total BS. Try to see if they're making any claims. They're using a standard I'm not super familiar with. It's a Chinese mask. It's a Chinese mask that the bag opens like that. So it's not fully sealed. Let's check it out here. Wow, that's great. I mean, dude. Oh my gosh, you could like pick up something very heavy with that thing, or shoot something to the moon. Pew! All right, let's put this on. Oh wow. I'm gonna call this smell clothes that were air dried on a clothesline. Remember that? Brings me back. It's a powerful mask. Powerful mask. Yeah, this is like standard mask. Not bad. Let's see real quick if they're making any claims on the listing. Not making any claims on the box. Let's look at it together though, shall we? How rude. I wasn't even showing you what I was seeing. Elastic strong ear straps. Definitely. Lengthened nose wire. No, it's the same nose wire that is it's the same exact nose wire that's in every mask. Disposable protective. No claims. 35,000 listings. So protect you though. Let's see. Blammo! Catchphrase. I need a better one. 98.642. Wow. That's awesome. That is an ASTM level 3 quality mask for $8.49 delivered to you. And you know, like $4 is going to the post office. That's a deal right there. This may be the deal on Amazon for sure, especially for that price. That is not a bad mask. What was the breathability? 41 pascals. Holy shnikes. Super breathable, super protective. It's a good mask. I mean, I'd probably use that mask. I'd probably use that. If I didn't have a mask factory, let's say, I would use that mask. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, don't give me a like or subscribe. No, actually, it's not get crazy. Give me a like. I mean, come on. If you want to. Like, if you want to. But we're doing a thing, running a competition, going to put some information up to it. Basically, we're giving away some mad prizes for people who are leaving comments. It's going to be totally random. If you saw this video drop in the last 24 hours, jam a comment down there. It can even be cat on the keyboard. I don't care. I'm not going to judge for comment or content here. You know what? We're dropping new videos every day at 10 a.m. So I will see you tomorrow. Like that roommate that doesn't pay his rent, I'll be there. See you on the next test, guys.